Hello, students. Welcome back. So, today the topic of my presentation and discussion is the chapter Nouns for class 6th, which is chapter 6th. All right. So, what is a noun? Answer: a noun is a name or is a word that names a person, place, thing, or animal. I will repeat it again. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or animal. Here on the screen, you can see the examples is shown with pictures, people, Anita. Even you can write in spite of Anita, Ram, Sita, Sham, or any other name. Then places, forest, you can write home, restaurant, mall, etc. Animals, elephant, in spite of elephant, you can write lion, tiger, giraffe, etc. Things, phone, in spite of it, you can also write laptop, bed, fan, paper, pencil, etc. So, these are the examples of noun. Yes. Here is the first activity, and children, you have to do these activities in your grammar copy. Yes, you heard it right. You have to make a grammar copy and you have to do this exercises in that copy. Read the sentences and underline the nouns. The first one, Joe is my cousin. So what is the noun? What I said, noun is the name of a person. Here is, who is the person? Yes. Say the name. Joe. So Joe is noun. Okay. So likewise, you will do the rest also. Now, the next topic of our discussion, which is very, very important, is the types of nouns. Listen very carefully, children. So, the types of nouns, 5 are there, and I will explain each with examples in the coming slides. The first is proper noun, the second common noun, third collective noun, fourth material concrete noun, fifth abstract noun. I will repeat it again. The types of nouns and examples. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, material or concrete noun. Fifth, abstract noun. Collective noun is also known as mass and count nouns. Our first topic, that is proper noun. A proper noun is the special word or name that we use for a person, place, or organization. Yes, I will repeat it again. A proper noun is a special word, or in other words, you can say specific, special, that we use for a person, place, or organization. In the right side, you can see, children, a boy is standing and he has a name given to him, that is Mark. See here a map with green color, and the name is France. Yes. Then here car, Porsche. You can see Porsche. And then the building Havana. Can you see? Yes. So we'll move to the next slide. Proper noun. Name a person, place, or thing, days of the week, months, and holidays. So now you will see the pictures in this slide. A doctor is standing and his name is Mr. Smith, where M and S are capital and it is written with red letter. Behind the doctor there is a school, Coral Cliffs Elementary. C is capital in Coral, C is capital in Cliffs, and E is capital in Elementary. Here you are aware of Santa. Yes, children, I know very much about you all. Santa Claus, who makes your wish come true, isn't it? So here you see Santa Claus, S and C capital in Santa Claus, and Christmas, C is capital, and all the capital letters, children, listen carefully, all the capital letters are in red color. Why in red color? We'll tell you in the next slide. Here you can see proper noun names a special person, place, or thing. They begin with a capital letter. Yes. So what are the two terms that are associated with proper noun? That is special name, and the second is capital letter. In the picture you can see a girl with a dog, Dorothy and Toto. Dorothy and Toto. Okay. And here actually this Dorothy and Toto is a character that has been taken from the land of Oz, which you will come to learn in the following days in your literature chapter. So that's why I have used this example. And here some more examples. President Obama, August, Nintendo, Nissan, Jackson Elementary, California. All the proper nouns are what? Written with capital letters. Now our second types of noun, that is common noun. What does it say? Common nouns name non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. Proper noun was what? Specific, and common noun is non-specific. That's why this non-specific is written in black and bold letter. Okay, why non-specific and what do you mean by non-specific? Yes, I will tell you in the next slide. Here, a person, place, or object. Girl, beach, pencil. No, there is no specific name, so it is non-specific. So it is what? Common noun. Man, boy, baby, woman, girl, doctor, firefighter, school, carnival, mailman, house, desert. These are what? Non-specific name. Okay? Common noun and proper noun. Are you still confused between them? Common noun and proper noun? Children, no need to get confused. You will get a clear concept in my next slide as I will tell you the difference. So the difference between a proper noun and a common noun. The first, a proper noun usually starts with what? Capital letter. Unlike the proper noun, common noun usually starts with a common letter. Second point, a proper noun sometimes consists of two words. A common noun always consists of one word. So children, you have to remember this point, that a proper noun starts with a capital letter, as I said you in the very beginning and I showed you with the examples. But it is not the same with the common noun. Okay, it does not start with a capital letter. The common noun does not start with the capital letter. And the second point is what? A proper noun sometimes consists of two words, and a common noun always will consist of what? One word only. Okay? Still not understood? No problem. Here you will get to know. See here. Common noun, man. One word. As I said before, proper noun, Abraham Lincoln. The first point was what? It starts with capital letter. Abraham Lincoln. You know who was Abraham Lincoln? He was the President of United States of America. And two words. Okay? It's a special name. Okay, children? Now see the next picture of two boys. Here the first boy says, "Hi, I am a boy." If he would have said that this is my name, okay? For example, if he would have said, "Hi, I am Ram," then it would be proper noun. But he said what? I am a boy. So what it is? Common noun. See the second one? The second boy you see? I am John. He is telling his name. And J is capital. So it is what? Proper noun. Yes, very good. Now I think you have understood. Proper noun. I am a special name for a person, place, or thing. Common noun. I am a common name for a person, place, or thing. Understood? Good. Now, the second activity, you have to write a proper noun to go with each common noun. One example has been done for you. You can see truck, Ford, restaurant, park, girl, teacher, school, store, movie, boy, dog, river, cartoon. You have to write the proper noun for all these common noun words. Okay? We'll move to the next slide. The third one, collective noun. So the definition is a name of a group of persons, things, animals, etc. You have to remember this term again in the collective noun, that is group of. Group of. See the example, a choir of singers. A choir is what? A group of singers is known as choir of singers. A bunch of flowers, a nest of ants, a gang of thieves, a loaf of bread, an army of soldiers. So the collective noun is a group of people or things. Crowd, gang, herd, team, stack, jury, assembly, audience. Some more examples. As I said before, a choir of singers, a flock of tourists, a troop of dancers, a class of students, an army of soldiers. Now here, this is the third activity and you have to do this again in your grammar book. Grammar copy. First one has been done for you. The rest, you do it by yourself. The fourth, material noun. By the word itself, you will get the idea. The word used for material of which things are made is called material noun. Examples is given with the pictures. The chair is made of wood. The cup is made of gold. Blackboard is made of cement. The underlined words are what? Material nouns. Some more examples: glass, wheat, gold, coal. Now the fourth activity, you have to underline the material noun in the following sentences. So this is very easy. You can do it by yourself. We'll move to the next slide. Okay, children, you can see something over here, isn't it? It is painting. I know many of you love to do this, isn't it? It's a hobby for you all. You love to do the paintings, especially during this lockdown. If you are not doing, you should do. You should spend quality time. Okay, but why I have shown you this? I will tell you in the next slide. The fifth of the type of noun is the abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun refers to feelings, concepts, ideals, and qualities. Feelings, concepts, ideals, and qualities. It is sometimes helpful to think of an abstract noun as a word that names something that you cannot see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. Did you understand something? See, hear, touch, smell, or taste are what? These all are related to our sense organs. Yes, children, the five sense organs you must have learned in science, isn't it? Eyes, ear, skin, nose, tongue, isn't it? So, something which cannot be sensed by our five sense organs is known as an abstract noun. Okay, now here are the examples: shock, anger, sadness. Can you touch it? Can you hear it? Can you see it? Can you feel it with your tongue? No? No. Some more examples: favorite, bravery, friendship, anger, childhood, etc. Now, here, abstract nouns is the one you cannot experience with your senses. It is an idea, emotion, state of being, or a concept. Understood why I showed you now that painting, children? The painting that I showed you before the starting of abstract noun, it was actually the result of your abstract thinking. The paintings that you make on the sheet or on the paper, it's all the result of your abstract thinking or idea or emotion. Now you understood why I showed you? Okay. Some more examples: hate, hatred, hearsay, honor, ego, envy, evil, failure, faith, fascination, and so on. This all are what? Abstract noun. Now this is the fifth activity. You look at the circles very carefully, children, and then you have to color the circles. It is mixed. Concrete and abstract nouns are mixed. So you have to color the concrete nouns with yellow and abstract nouns with pink color. Now the difference between material, concrete and abstract nouns. So here you see, abstract nouns are the words that refer to entities that we cannot feel with our five senses, as I told you before, with our five sense organs. And concrete nouns, on the other hand, can be detected and felt by our five senses or sense organs. Now you understood the difference between abstract and concrete nouns, or concrete can be said as material nouns. Now here is the overview of the kinds of noun. I will just zoom it to you. See for some time. Then I will move to my next slide. Now the next topic, noun gender. You can see some of the things are written below that. Masculine, common, feminine, neuter. What are they? They are the 4 types of gender nouns. They are masculine, feminine, common, neuter. So here the detailed discussion. Masculine denotes a male gender of person, animal, insect, etc. Feminine denotes a female gender of person, animal, bird, etc. Common, a noun that may be masculine or feminine but not neuter. And neuter denotes a lifeless thing. Neuter means neither male nor female. Still not understood? No problem. We'll move to our next slide, then I will tell you. Masculine refers to the names of boys and men. Some of the examples: father, son, priest, uncle, rooster, host, king, hero. And feminine: aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, niece. Common refers to the name of both girls and boys, doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager, singer. Now children, don't get confused. Children, don't get confused. You will ask, ma'am, what is common? Why common? No. Doctor can be either male or female. So that's why it comes under common. Same goes with the nurse and the other examples that has been given here. Neuter means the lifeless objects which doesn't have life in it. Non-living things, in other words. Eraser, shoes, chocolate, car, desk, bus, book, pants. Now this is the activity. Here are some of the words in the column. In the box, you will make 4 columns of masculine, feminine, common, neuter, and these words that has been given here. This one. Geese, neighbor, mother, lion, boy, teacher. You will sort this word into the appropriate columns. Understood? So, thank you children. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.